You're driving on the highway. It's morning. You've driven this stretch of highway hundreds of times. But suddenly, there's an exit you haven't seen before. You swing up the exit, and things are kind of odd. Signs, vehicles, the traffic is kind of strange. Out of nowhere, there's a shopping mall ahead. You've never seen this mall before. The name on the sign sounds familiar, but your car swings into the parking lot. You exit your car and you walk through the maze and into the door. The people there seem nice, but they look at you a little too long. They seem too friendly. You duck down an aisle. Products tower over you. Things you've never seen, things you've never heard of. Your heart pounds. You grab things off the shelves. Your hands move and you don't know what you're grabbing. All you know is that you want it. The checkout appears. The cashier rings out everything. She hands you your receipt. You realize what's wrong. There's no sales tax. You're out of the door and into the maze of the parking lot. The sun is setting. How long were you inside? Is it still the same day? You can't find your car. People are watching you search. Finally, you find your car. You get inside, you turn the key and drive away. Where's the exit? How do you get out? But suddenly, you're back on the highway. Your heartbeat eases. You look in the rearview mirror. Nothing. Gone. Welcome to Delaware, the small wonder.